Guys, I have a package that came today, and this I'm already having really good vibes from, because as you can see how it's packaged, it looks really nice. I did get this one off of Amazon, and the store is JollyLife Art, and this is a little My Little Pony. If you can see a little better what it looks like. If you've watched my other videos, you know My Little Pony is a little theme around here with my 5-year-old. So let's get this opened. It was on Amazon Prime, and it was $12.45. The glue on this package is really good. I love how they have the picture on the outside and the store name on this part. This came inside of a larger Amazon bag, like this. So it was pretty large. Pretty padded. Bubble wrap lined package. Okay. Here we go. This is a full drill, 30 by 30. A little note inside. It says, "Thank you for your purchase in my store. It is our pleasure to do business with you. The item has been sent with care. We hope you are satisfied with our product and service. We are an honest seller and always try to supply with high quality products and best service. If you don't mind, we would be highly appreciative if you could leave us a positive feedback and review. Of course, if there is any query, please feel free to contact us. We will reply and solve problems as soon as possible. We are looking forward to hearing from you and establish a good business relationship with you in the near futures. Yours sincerely, JollyLife Customer Service Manager." That is pretty awesome. They send a little note in there. Alright. Oh my goodness, this is cool. So, we have our tray with the opening at the end. So this is the larger size tray, the larger size green tray, because it has the actual divider at the end to transfer your beads back into your storage container. It has the tweezers. It has a large wax stick, and it has the pink drill pin with a clear tip at the end that does the drill applicator for 6. This is the 6 size, where you can do 6 at a time. And they also came with this container. This is a little free gift, because I didn't order it. And that holds 8 colors, and they have individual little individual openings, so you can put your label on here and put your different colors, and it looks like it holds quite a few packages. This would hold probably 4 or 5, so 800 to 1,000 drills would fit into one of these. And let's go to the canvas. Not too badly folded. Alright, let's open it up and see. Since this is, oh, it actually does have a paper with it too. Really nice. We will count them, make sure they're all here in just a moment. Let's look at the okay. Looks like the glue might be coming up a little bit. There we go. Wow, those are nice and clear. There's no 310s in this package at all. No blacks. A little bit of the dark blue bit of wrinkles right here in the middle. Not too bad. Put this back down and do the other side. There we go. Yeah, right in the middle is the worst of the bubbling, but it shouldn't be too bad. Let's see here. Just kind of take my drill pin and kind of move it around on top of it, see if it'll stay down, because once you flatten it, if you keep it flat, these should go away if you press them down. I'm not a professional, but this is just what I'm doing to try to get the bubbles out. Just kind of, yep, they'll come out easy enough. It's not too bad. So, yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's easily fixable. But it's nice and sticky. There we go. There, so now that I've actually pulled it off and laid it back down, it's not curling. So I didn't have to actually run it across the table to try and straighten it first. That way I didn't, and I didn't roll it the opposite direction. So this is a smaller one, so it's easier to manage. It does have the JollyLife diamond painting at the top. And that's that. Now we will open the drills and do inventory. It is square. That's what I ordered, was a square drills. And they're connected. See, this is not something I've seen before on square drills. They normally come in the loose packets. I normally find that they come like this when they're the round drills. So this is actually pretty nice because it's clearly marked on here what they are. The number of packet, the packet number. I mean, it's not numbered on the side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But this is just how they keep track of how many packets are sending to you. And then the DMC number after it. So there are, looks like 28 bags. No, 28 colors. Because both of these here at the end are number 28. So we've got, let's count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, 28 colors. And it's very clear on this instruction sheet what letter, the symbol that corresponds to the color on your canvas. So this should be pretty easy. I mean, I'm gonna have to figure it myself. Actually, I don't even have to do an inventory because it doesn't tell me how many packets were included. And this type of processing, they don't put a full 200 in each package. They put in here how much you need, and then they put in extras for incidentals. So, like number 27, which is this one right here, it says I only need 73. So you can see here the amount that's in there. So all that really needs to be done is make sure each packet is here. And see, like color 21, there's 2 large bags. And these are some lighter colors I've come across that are used a lot. This 3756 and the 3865. And there's 2 bags of each of those colors with large amounts in them. So I'll just make sure each number is here, and that's about all I can do. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and then there's large amounts of 17 and 18, which is the pink, and that's one of the main colors. 19, 20, because this is a pony that is pink, and then the background is blue and white, so that would explain the larger amount of the blue here. So 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28. They're all here, and as far as everything being here and in good shape, it's excellent. This store I would highly recommend. Since it was very inexpensive, it was high quality, and it was on Prime, Amazon Prime, so I got it in 2 days. And that's awesome. If I could get all of my paintings in 2 days with this quality, I would shop only on Amazon. So 2 thumbs up, 5 stars. JollyLife is an awesome shop. And that's all I have to say. I mean, I can't say any more. Go to JollyLife if you're going to be getting it on Amazon, or even if you're not, because there's nothing like getting your diamond painting that you're itching to do in 2 days. Okay? Well, that's it for now, and I will see you in the next video. Have a fun time diamond painting, guys.